So what's up, you guys? It's your boy Jamaal Abiade, and today we're doing my first unboxing video. Yes, and we're doing these LED lights that I got off of Amazon. I hope you guys are all staying home and staying safe and doing creative projects. That being said, I'm trying to turn this room into a music studio. First thing I want to do is change the atmosphere and set up some cool LED lights. I bought these lights from Amazon Prime. It was Amazon's choice, but this is not a sponsored video, so if you don't want to go with this brand, please get something else. This is not a sponsored video. You guys won't help me buy that, but I'll put the lights and everything I'm using in the link below. So with that being said, let's get started. I will do a full unboxing, show you how to install the lights, and do a review of how I think it looks and the outcome. So let's stay tuned. Let's get into it. Jamaal Abiade, here we go. All right, now you guys, so let's get into this unboxing. So these are the LED lights, the red, blue, and green, the MINGER LED lights. Let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, you guys, so after unboxing these lights, this is what I have. I have a remote control to control the lights, the user manual. I have some alcohol wipe, and that's to clean the wall before you put it up there so the adhesive can stick. I have the connector for the light. I have a power adapter for the light, and I have these stickies for the lights to hang on the wall so I can keep the sticks in more. Oh, and I have lights. So I ordered the 32-foot lights, but I guess it comes in two packages, 16 and 16. So this is all that will come in the MINGER LED light package. So I want to put the lights all the way on the top, wrapped around the room on the top of on the ceiling. So what I was told to do when I looked up the videos is clean the wall where you're gonna put the strips before you actually put it, so you take all the dirt off, it'll stick better. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put the camera down, and I'm gonna do that right now, clean the top of the wall. So what you want to do is connect the lights to the white box, and it's kind of hard to see, but there's two arrows. So you can kind of see it a little bit right now. There's an arrow right there. Yeah, there you go. It's an arrow right there on the white, and there's an arrow on this black cord coming from the lights. After I connect the lights to the white box, I want to connect the white box to the power cord. Boom. And I have an outlet right here. Oh wow, they lit right up. They lit right up, wow. I connected the lights to the white box, and the white box to the power box, put it in the wall. Voila, magic. And the lights are on so you can't see, but it's very bright. And I can change the color, red, green, blue, white, you can't really tell, but yeah, it's pretty cool. So I've been watching videos on how to do this, and what people don't tell you is the lights have to be connected to an outlet, and they have to, like, this black box is kind of ugly, but you want it to be hidden. So I'm actually putting the black box on the outlet by my dresser, so I can just string the black cord this way behind the dresser and kind of hide that white cord and hide the black cord, and the lights will just probably like start right here and go up my wall. I'm just basically hiding the white box and the black box so it looks like straight lights, and I'm gonna hide them behind my dresser, and I think it's gonna work perfectly. Let's see how it goes. So I'm getting ready to put this the lights up. I was told to use this wet wipe to wipe down where I'm putting it at. So that's what I'm doing, is wiping down with a little wet wipe. It says to get all the dust off, but I don't see anything coming off, but I did it anyways. If you look at this, it actually has a sticker right here, so you can rip it off and put it on the wall, but I'm gonna do that later when I find out where I want my lights to start at. All right, so I'm connecting these lights right now. I'm going to put this in the corner. I know it's hard to see, you guys, and I apologize. And basically, I'm getting it closest to the edge, so it can just run off the edge and be perfectly straight. So I'm gonna let it run right over the edge.
3 hours later.
All right, you guys, so I did my first strip. So this is how it looks like. I went from there, I went up the wall. At this little corner, the 90-degree angles, you guys, are really crazy, man. It looks pretty crazy, but you can't really tell. But I hit a little 90-degree angle, bent it, came down this way. Whoa, went all the way down. Stood on the bed, went all the way down, hit that angle, kept on going. Yeah, like it looks pretty damn good from right here. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It looks pretty damn good. And so I didn't buy enough, so I'm actually gonna buy some more and connect them so it go all the way around the room. And I did this side, I'm gonna do this side next, so let's get to it. I have to connect the other lights to this one, then go up this side and come this way. And when you're doing this, go back around and press it again, make sure it's really on there, because the first time I did it, there's a lot of gap spots, but when I press it again, I felt the gap spot. So make sure you go around it a second time and press the lights on the wall a little harder. Alright you guys, I have the lights all set up. So I did not get enough lights, but it's okay. I'm gonna order some more from Amazon. Make sure you measure the wall and make sure you're getting enough. I got 32 feet and that's not enough. I'm gonna turn off my lights and let's try it out. Alright, so these are how my lights look. Whoa, that was great. And as you see, it's bright outside and they're still shining really bright. The switch, it has a dimmer so I can turn it down a lot just to make something calm. And I can turn it up. Another cool thing I want you guys to notice, I thought my remote was not working. It was actually, this wire was behind these and I'm like, man, my remote's not working. But that wasn't the case. I just pulled it up front and it works just fine. So that's what this one wire is for. It's actually the receiver for the remote. So that's a fun fact. Overall, I like them. They're really dope. As you see, this side of the wall, it wasn't enough, but I'm gonna buy some more off of Amazon literally right now. And I'm gonna hook those up next. So you guys, as you see, I hooked up the lights. They look pretty good. What to know about the lights before you buy them. If you're putting directly on drywall or like the paint I have, mind you, I probably painted this wall 10 years ago. Paint might just be old, but when you're taking it off, if I try to pull it off, the paint's coming with. So to let you know, this is kind of like when you put it on, it's on there. So overall, it's not permanent, but when you pull it off, it will take a little paint with it. So you should know that. Second thing is, the corners are hard to get. There's some clips on Amazon where that helps you do the corners for LED lights. I probably should have got that. I'll put that below too, some clips for LED lights. 3, I knew it wasn't gonna be long enough, but I didn't know it wasn't gonna be this short. So definitely make sure you measure your room, make sure it's long enough, because it wasn't long enough. As you see, my lights start halfway up the wall. I wish I would have started the box a little higher on the wall, because I feel like I wasted lights going up when I could have used more lights going around my room. One light is going up this way and one light is going up the other wall, and they're split off. That's double the amount of the room I could have used on the rest of the wall. So I wish I didn't do that, but it is okay. And this is why I'm doing this video for you guys. But I love it, I really do. I like it a lot. I can't wait till these other lights come in and I connect them and I'll show you guys how that works. So that is the RB Minger LED light. This is the Amazon choice for LED lights, and it works pretty good. I like it a lot. And the last thing I'm gonna do, and I didn't put this on camera, is these little spots, these little corners. I'm gonna put these on the wall on the corners to try to help and just try to secure it on there, make sure it doesn't fall off or anything crazy like that. So I'm gonna put these little things, and they have tape. I'm gonna rip it off the tape and put them just to secure it, especially on that corner that's kind of funky. Get these LED lights, man. They're pretty cool. Get them. Make your creative space fun. As a producer and a music artist, it's hard for me to work in just a plain room. And as I update my room, I will update you guys and let you guys know what I get, so you can do the same to the workspace at your house during this quarantine. My name is Jamaal Abiade. Everything is lit. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. Hey. And go make some music. Go create some beats or something, man. Let's get it. Everything is lit.